Chevy 350 head bolt torque and sequence, the specs, and the pattern that keeps your head flat. A head gasket seals combustion gas, coolant, and oil all at once, so the clamping load has to be even. Fully torque one bolt before the others, and you pull that corner down hard while the rest lifts. That warps the deck and crushes the gasket unevenly. Standard cast iron head bolts, 65 foot-pounds in 3 even stages. A RP or aftermarket bolts, 65 to 75 multi-stage using a RP lube. 1996 and later torqued to yield bolts, about 22 foot-pounds plus an angle. Never reuse them. The right value depends on which bolts you're running, so confirm against your service manual. 17 head bolts, 3 rows, 4 along the intake side, 5 through the middle, 8 down the exhaust side. Bolt 1 sits dead center in the middle row, 2 jumps up to the intake row, 3 and 4 drop to the exhaust row right then left, 5 goes back up top, and the spiral keeps widening side to side, row to row until the outermost bolts go last, 14, 15, 16, 17 at the far ends. Never end to end, never one side at a time, same order every stage. Before you drop a single bolt in, sort them by length. There are 3. The long 3 3/4 inch bolts run across the intake row and the inner middle. All 8 exhaust row bolts are the short 1 3/4, and the 2 ends of the middle row take the medium 3-inch bolts. Return each bolt to the hole it came from. The wrong length bottoms out or grabs too few threads, and either way the torque wrench reads fine while the head is barely clamped. Now the part people skip. Run the entire pattern at each stage, the full pattern at 25 foot-pounds, then the full pattern again at 45, then a final pass at 65. Never jump straight to final torque on a single bolt. 4 rules that decide whether this seals. Clean and dry the deck and bolt holes. Debris or oil in a blind hole gives a false reading. Lightly oil the threads per the manual. Use a calibrated torque wrench, never an impact gun, and always replace torque to yield bolts. Full specs in the complete pattern at whatsizebolt.com.